few years ago when a young man set off a chemical bomb behind Ponderosa High School on the anniversary of Columbine. Any of you remember that? I represented that young man. And it didn't take me very long to get to know him inside the Foot Center before I realized that it wasn't just the young man who had a problem. He came from a problem family with a variety of reasons. And we went into court, we went into juvenile court. And I looked at this and I said, this is one that needs the district attorney's attention. I'm pleased to say that I was able to talk to Carol Chambers. I said, Carol, I want to bring my young man up to see you. We went up and had a cup of coffee together. Leslie and I actually worked that case together. All right? You wouldn't believe how challenging it was to work with these parents. The kid was a problem. I just wish I had a way to work with the parents because I couldn't get them to stop excusing his behavior, to stop enabling him. You know, I've done family and criminal law. Why? Because you wouldn't believe the number of times I have both kinds of cases with the same client. I used to say I've yet to see the juvenile that didn't come from a troubled family, all right, when he's involved in that system. One of the things I want to advocate, in addition to our other specialty courts, which I support, I want to advocate family courts. Believe it or not, last year I had a case where I had a dependency and neglect, a juvenile delinquency, a criminal, and a divorce, all in the same family. I would have had 4 different judges and magistrates in Arapahoe County. Fortunately, it was in Alberta. So Judge Holmes called them all up at once, and we were able to manage the case on behalf of the family. That's what I want to see happen. Right? And the story was, this kid, he didn't make it. He got a sweet deal. Leslie and I worked on it. He got diversion. All right? He reoffended. There's just some things you can't help. The other thing I just want to make in closing is, there's no magic switch on your 18th birthday.